Hello everyone, you are welcome in DPSing classes for UPSC Mathematics Optional. Today's topic is some definitions: finite dimensional vector space, homomorphism, isomorphism, and after it the theorems based on homomorphism and isomorphism. First is the definition is finite dimension vector space. Finite dimensional vector space let VF be a vector space is said to be finite dimensional or finitely generated if there exists a finite subset of vectors such that V equals to linear span S. That is the definition of finitely dimensional vector space. A vector space VF is said to be finitely dimensional or finitely generated if there exists a finite subset of vector space such that V equals to linear span S. Second definition is homomorphism or linear transformation. Homomorphism of vector space or linear transformation. Let U and V be two vector spaces a mapping F such that U to V is said to be homomorphism or linear transformation if first F alpha plus beta equals to F alpha plus F beta for all alpha beta belongs to V. Second, F A alpha equals to A F alpha for all A belongs to F, alpha belongs to V. From first and second, F A alpha plus B beta equals to A F alpha plus B F beta. Two vector spaces U and V. Let two vector space U and V is said to be homomorphism or linear transformation if first property for addition F alpha plus beta equals to F alpha plus F beta, alpha beta belongs to V and F alpha F beta, alpha beta belongs to U and alpha belongs to U, F alpha F beta belongs to V, F alpha belongs to V. For all AB belongs to F and alpha beta belongs to U. That is the formulation of homomorphism or linear transformation. Next, isomorphism. Isomorphism of vector space. Let U and V be vector spaces a mapping F such that U to V is said to be isomorphism if first property first F is 1 1, second F is onto, third F is linear transformation. Then vector space U isomorphic to V, that is the symbol of isomorphism. Two vector spaces U and V are said to be isomorphic to each other if F is the mapping F such that U to V is isomorphic. If F is 1 1, F is onto, F is linear transformation, then we can say vector space U isomorphic to vector space V. That's all. That is the definition of isomorphism.